Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, Saha, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English National School, morning shift. Dear student, today I will take your English literature class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is fill in the blanks and true false from Unit 7. So let's get started our class. Dear student, before going to write our today's topic, today at first we will read this topic once again. Okay, here student, this story's name is Buzzing Bees, and in previous class we have already discussed this topic. Here this is Rishi is reading a book, and what is that sound? Rishi looks around, and bees, there are 2 bees in the room. So how many bees are in the room? There are 2 bees in the room, and Rishi is reading a book. They are buzzing around the flowers. So the bees are buzzing around the flowers. They look angry, and these flowers do not smell sweet. They say, oh, they are paper flowers. So these flowers that are in Rishi's room, it is not a real flower. Okay, they are not real flowers, and they don't smell sweet, and they are paper made flowers. Okay, they are paper flowers. They are not real, laughs Rishi. Bees go into the garden. There are real flowers in the garden, says Rishi. The bees fly away to the garden. So now the bees are flying away to the garden. There are many flowers there. They sit on a flower. Can you give us some nectar and some pollen to make honey? Asks a bee. Of course, here you are, says the flower. Thank you, say the bees. How can we help you? The flower says, please carry some pollen to other flowers. Help them to make seeds. Of course, say the bees. The bees are very happy. The flower is happy too. So, it is about our story. Now, we will solve these problems. So first, fill in the blanks. Here, first one, Rishi is dash a book. So we can write here, Rishi is reading a book. Okay, have a look on this book. Rishi is reading a book. So we will write here reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. So Rishi is reading a book. Number 2, there are dash bees in the room. We know there are 2 bees in the room. So there are 2 bees in the room. When we go through this story, we know that from this story there are 2 bees in the room. So we will write here 2, T-W-O, 2. There are 2 bees in the room. Number 3, bees are buzzing around the dash. But we know from this story they are buzzing around the flowers. So F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Bees are buzzing around the flowers. And now true false. Number 1, the flowers are real in the room. The flowers are real in the room. No, we know the flowers, okay, that are kept in the room, it is not real. It is a paper made flower. So it is false. The flowers are real in the room? No, false. It is false. So write here false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Number 2, the bees fly away to the garden. You know, yes, the bees fly away to the garden. So it is 2. Number 3, pollen is a kind of juice found in flowers. No, it is false, because we know that pollen, a kind of powder that plants make. So it is false. Okay, I am repeating this, fill in the blanks and true false. Number 1, Rishi is in the gap. We have to write here reading. Rishi is reading a book. Number 2, there are 2 bees in the room. Number 3, bees are buzzing around the flowers. Now true false. Number 1, the flowers are real in the room. False. Number 2, the bees fly away to the garden. True. Number 3, pollen is a kind of juice found in flowers. It is false. So student, Hope you have understood our today's topic. Our today's homework number 5 and topic will be fill in the blanks and true false. From unit 7. So at first you have to learn this topic and do your homework at home and submit on next Saturday. Thank you all of you. See you in next class.